Stop buying expensive seedling trays. Here are 3 ways to sprout seeds for $0. Method 1. The sponge. Use a cheap new sponge. Cut it into cubes, tuck your seeds in, and keep it damp. Or stuffing seeds into an old, clean kitchen sponge. Method 2. The tissue. Wrap your seeds in wet tissue and seal them in a box for 2 or 3 nights. It's the best for holding moisture. Method 3. Seedling soil. Simple and natural. Let them grow until they have 2 true leaves. Just remember to wash the roots extra clean before they hit the water. Keep these moist and wait for the magic to happen. Which method will sprout first? Follow for the results in part 2.